mix together 1/2 cup of lukewarm milk, 1/3 cup of lukewarm water, and I will add 1/4 cup of sugar. So we will mix this together, and then I will add a tablespoon of instant dry yeast. So just mix it together. And we'll just leave for about 5 minutes. Meantime, I will measure the other ingredients. So in a large mixing bowl, we have here 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And to this, I will add 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of oil. So we will mix this together and we will add our yeast mixture.
Ito naman after 10 minutes.
So when the mixture has clumped together, we will be using our hands. Make sure your hands are already clean. And we will knead the dough for 15 minutes. Looks like after 10 minutes of kneading, so we'll knead for another 5 minutes. Wow. Exercise. So I have here my Shopee find, a silicone mat, very useful if lagi kayong ng bread and you don't have a mixer. So we'll just knead this for another 5 minutes, and we will rest the dough we will proof the dough for at least 1 hour. This is our dough after 15 minutes. I-grease lang natin itong ating bowl. And cover natin siya ng cling wrap, and we will leave this for 1 hour to rise. this again to make circles. So, huwag kayong mag-alala kung after nyo siya i-cut, medyo ano siya, lumiit. So, we will use the rolling pin. Then we will just put some oil on top, and then fold it and press lightly. So this is our bao buns. So I will just make this. Lalagay ko lang siya sa parchment paper. So guys, these are our bao buns, which we are resting for another 30 minutes before steaming. So let's see later ano ang verdict. Yeah.